If you're finding it difficult to improve your pronunciation and your listening comprehension in English, then you are certainly not alone. Hello and welcome everyone, this is Minoo at Anglo-Link. English pronunciation is difficult to master for two main reasons. Firstly, vowel letters don't always produce the same vowel sound. Take, for example, the letter E and listen to how it's pronounced differently in these four words: them, term, theme, they. Secondly, English is a stress-timed language. What does this mean? It means two things. In a sentence, we only stress keywords, not grammatical words. Let's look at a sentence together. Excellence is an achievable goal. So which words are the keywords? The keywords are excellence, achievable, and goal. So they are stressed. The grammatical words are is and an. So they are unstressed. And each multisyllable word also has its own stress pattern. For example, which syllable in achievable is stressed? It is the second syllable, achievable. The problem is that word stresses are not marked, except in a dictionary. And the phonetic symbols that indicate the sound of each letter can be more confusing than helpful. Although we can listen to words in an online dictionary, it is difficult for our brain to remember foreign sounds, especially if we have not heard them during our childhood. Let me just explain the hand movement technique that helps us to remember stress patterns. Let's take this sentence. Aim for excellence, not perfection. We have two multisyllable words in this sentence: excellence and perfection. In excellence, the first syllable is stressed. Excellence. In perfection, the second syllable is stressed. Perfection. How well do you think you will remember these in a few days? It's not that easy. So, let's bring in some visual cues and hand movements to help our memory. Excellence. Perfection. Now let's put the two words back in the sentence. Aim for excellence, not perfection. Well, that was a quick demonstration of the hand movement technique. I hope this information has been helpful to you. Do remember to subscribe to my channel and allow notifications to know when my next video is online. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.